Hey, Stupid Archer here. I'm here to talk about restoration of my threadbare bow because I have some um, stress cracks in a varnish. I don't know if you see it, but there are like little stress cracks in a finish of a bear bow. Is quite common for a bear bows to develop those cracks. And the thing is, I'm quite happy because I have seen, you see, upper limb. I hope you can see this. If not, I will insert some pictures how that should look. And I'm quite happy because I was sanding it till the glass and I see it was only the finish, the glass did not crack. So this is very good news for me because I love this bow and I want to shoot it for long. That's why I want to refinish it. So this bow will get sanded completely, or I will sand the cracks away. Most of the finish, because the bow is almost new, most of the finish will get lightly sanded, and then we will spray over some matte finish, like not so glossy finish on it to make it pretty, and hopefully this bow will shoot for years to come. And by we, I mean we will spray it, or we will do it. I mean me and Lul Zimpali. Lul Zimpali is a bow maker in the area where I live, and he's a great guy, and he took his time to help me learn how to restore bows, how to refinish bows. He's quite famous in the whole Germany, or in area where I am. Is a great bow builder, and I'm quite happy that he kind of took me under his wing and showed me a little bit something, as much as he could in that little short time. Extremely friendly guy, and thumbs up for Mr. Bali. He is one of the greats. And to end of this, I will still keep you posted on this project, and I will finish some older bows and my first bow as well. So before I keep on sanding like a crazy person, because it is getting late and I still have probably 2 hours to sand, I will show you, because for you who don't know, I was born in the Balkans. I'm Croatian, and Mr. Pali is as well from the Balkan region. And just a little funny clip how it looks when two Balkan men who are also archery enthusiasts meet together and have fun.
Ich krieg sein Grinsen nicht aus dem Gesicht heute.
Danke. Lozin took immediately my camera and it was showing his shop around and filming his bows. This is a red dragon and Dracula. Dracula is completely out of carbon.
Ist komplett aus Carbon.
Dracula is made completely out of carbon and is a widow style bow, and it looks amazing with red and black.
Noch in Rohzustand, ne?
I'm back in my shop and trying to sand the bow carefully without catching the glass or doing any damage to the bow. So the Lulzin showed me how to sand the bow right. So I'm using these little polishing pads or grinding pads. It's like a little sponge, which is quite flexible, and that's how you keep a better, or at least he meant you can keep a better pressure with the sanding. So great tip. I will definitely use it in future restorations, but First things first, this is quite nerve-wracking because this is my favorite bow that I own. I'm trying not to fuck, so I will not talk much anymore. I will speed this process up and let you see how much sanding was. I will not show you the whole sanding process because this took around 7-8 hours, and I was extremely careful because that's my first bow, and it took forever. And a very important thing, sand it and watch over the light that you see where the finish is and where is the glass, so that you don't dig too much in and take probably pounds of your bow. I believe from the other bowyers that I watched online, yeah, that's something what's good, most definitely happen. I cannot stress this enough. Check your tiller and don't dig into the glass. We don't want to change how this bow performs or anything. So the most important is you don't dig into the glass. This is a finished product and we don't want to change it. So we're back in a polish shop and we decided to put a stippling on the bow. And I thought he's going to use some stencil or whatever. No, it just took the grinding tool to it and it did it completely freehand. I was extremely impressed. He did it like his walk in the park. So this is going to help me to have a consistent pressure point on my bow, and it looks also really nice as a little touch, and I was really pleased with it.
Wichtig ist erstmal diese Grenze und dann immer die Bohrungen in dem Fall jetzt nicht, aber dieses Stippling, diese Ansenkungen versetzt macht, dann sieht auch nach etwas aus. Ohne Schablone.
Sieht wunderschön aus, auf jeden Fall. Und vor meinen Augen freier Schnauze. Das einfach nur hinbekommen. Das ist ja unglaublich. So after stippling was done, we started to spray the tips first, so that the curing time from around half hour is then done, and we can hang it from the tips down and refinish the whole bowl. I always wondered how the bowyers are doing it, and now I got my answer. So first the tips, then the rest of the bowl.
So, das muss jetzt trocknen?
Yep. So after tips were dry, we were hanging the bowl up, and then we started to spray finish the rest. I didn't do this part with him because I'm still learning, so this is going to be I guess a little challenge. I don't have much experience in spraying, but I will definitely try it on other projects of mine to learn it. And the spray can is in the left corner of the video. You can see it's 2-component matte varnish. They are available on Amazon to buy in 1 or 3-pack, I guess. So it is extremely scratch resistant and resistant on all kinds of chemicals. So it is very good finish, and he uses it in all of his high-end bows. I was happy that my BEAR got a beautiful matte finish, which will last for years to come.
Sollte gut sein.
Richtig geil. So here I am. We finished the bow, and I would like to show it to you. Before I start, I just want to say big thanks to the Mr. Luzimpali. He's a great guy, and he showed me quite a bit since I started to film this video. Took his time, showed me all of the sides of or not all of the sides of bow restoration, but a lot, and what's relevant for me and my future projects. So thank you very much, and little quick shout out to the string whistler, because I have bought the custom made string from him, for this BEAR, because they can shoot only darkroom, but this is a hybrid darkroom string, gets around 10 feet per second more than normal darkroom string, and is still enough stretchy that it doesn't harm my bow. So String Whistler, check him out. Makes in my opinion, the best strings in the business. They are extremely quiet, good performing strings, so thumbs up for him, I guess. And let's come to the main point, or the close-up of this video, finished product. I will get behind my camera and I will show you this beautiful matte finish. The bow looks amazing. Finish is superb. The white stripes were there, that's the discoloration of the glass, what the BEAR bows are having, so we cannot do nothing about it, but I think it gives a little bit of character and a little bit of, yeah, pattern to it. The bow looks beautiful. It's completely without one little fail, or without any scratches, any cracks, nothing. It looks perfect. So you can see it from this angle. I have a beautiful bear paw quiver, which is in the same colors as the bow, brown and green. I think it looks quite nice. I'm very happy with it, and I will shoot this bow for years to come. And now that it looks beautiful, I will take it, I guess, even more often with me. And even though the bow is extremely short for me, for my draw length, I have, as I said in my review, I have no problems with it, and it's a quite nice bow. And what else to expect from the BEAR archery? The performance, yeah, those bows need to perform. The Fredbear had in mind hunting, or had hunting in mind for these bows, and I will take one, or let's say I will take 3 shots just to show you. The bow is a little louder than it was with a completely darker string, but that's normal because there is other materials in the string as well. So, but I still need to tune it quite. I still don't have knocking point. This is just now to show it to you a little bit. This is a sweet shooting bow. Jesus Christ. It shoots and it looks perfect now. Beautiful. So I hope you like this video. Bear with me, I'm still learning. Filming, editing is quite new for me, so but I still hope you like it. Subscribe to me and Mr. Pali's channel as well. His channel is quite encyclopedia of knowledge and bow making, is condensed knowledge of over 20 years of bow building, so definitely check his channel out again. And if you want to see more of such a project and more of cool bows and cool little 3D adventures, follow my channel, and see you in the next one.